So I had to do a lesson on figuring out what my limiting beliefs are. And I wanted to bring this to you because that was the one thing. This is from Bob Proctor. There is no growth beyond the beliefs you hold. And I just thought, wow, yes, it is. It's all in our mind, right? It's all here that's holding us back. So I wanted to read you a couple of questions and how I answered them a week ago and how I answered them yesterday. Like flip of a switch in 1 week, how my mind had changed. So the question is, do I have good sound reasons for my beliefs? And my answer last week was some yes, some no. Yeah, some. I feel like I have good sound beliefs for some, and some no. Within a week, okay, I got to read you my answer. Because do I have good sound reasons for my beliefs? This week, a giant yes. I underlined it. This was like, I just did this last night. I 100% believe I can help women get the increase they need. So, hey, Diane. So that's the, okay, I'll keep squirreling. I better stop. So the thing is, within a week, I'm saying, yeah, I have some good beliefs, good sound beliefs on some things, some not. Boom. 1 week. Yes, I 100% believe in what I'm doing and how I'm helping women and the decisions I've made in this past week and how I know 100% without a doubt that I can help other women have increase like I'm having. It's unbelievable when you work on your mindset, when you work on your getting rid of your limiting beliefs and work on creating your new belief, how incredible you feel. Okay? And okay, so I'm going to read another one because I don't want to keep you long. Would changing my beliefs improve my life? And I wrote yes last week. Last night, 1 week later, I wrote, I have changed my beliefs with my new platform because I believe in it 100%. Flip of a switch. Hey, Lynn. So it does come quickly. It happens quickly. When you sit down and you decide what your beliefs are going to be, what limiting beliefs you want to get rid of, what spaces you want to fill. Now that those are gone, what do you want to fill those spaces with? You have to recognize your current beliefs for what they are, your limiting beliefs. Recognize them for what they are. Write them down. No one else is going to look at this but you. Write them all down. And then tell those beliefs to go away. And I'm going to tell you because a friend just taught me this with some pain issues I was having in my shoulder. I want you to take your limiting belief, write it down. One of mine was that I had failed so often, and I really didn't. It was just God leading me in a different direction. I'd be like, oh, I failed at that. No, I didn't. I was led somewhere else. I was led to you guys, right? So I want you to imagine that limiting belief. I want you to have a cord attached from that belief, from you, from inside, from your heart, that belief attached to wherever that came from. Just close your eyes and imagine it, okay? And when you have that limiting belief that is holding you back, and it's attached to wherever that came from, whoever told you that, whoever made you feel that way, why you ever made yourself feel that way, okay? You have a cord attached to that. And then, and I'm doing this faster than I would if I was sitting and doing a meditation with it, right? once you have that, I want you to cut that cord. Cut the cord. Let that limiting belief just float away. And this may take a couple times, right? But I am telling you, it works. It freaking works. And within a week, I have completely changed my mindset on where I am in my new platform and what I'm moving forward with. And I am helping, I'm blessing so many people. So why would I let anything hold me back from that? Why? It doesn't matter what anyone thinks, what anyone feels, what anyone says. I have to go with what is so in my heart. And if God takes me on another different path, then so be it. I'll go on another different path. But I really want you to meditate on bringing fresh, new beliefs. When you cut that cord and you get rid of that belief, you got to close your eyes and immediately come up with a new belief that is going to just light you on fire and get you through your days. And I'm telling you it works. I'm telling you, you just need to believe in yourself, because the only thing that's holding you back is your belief. And it took me probably 2 years now to really, really internalize that. So